Hello, today I'm going to be shooting at that snowman for 22 foot away, zoomed in, and there's my BB gun I'll be shooting it with. So if I'll just put you down, make sure you can see, zoom in a bit more, there you go, and this is for my shotgun. I'll stand back. Zoom in a little bit more and you might be able to see some BBs. Oh, that's as far as it goes. See that one? Get it just on top. Oh! Got a shot. See some eyes flying out where I'm hitting it. Right, and that's what I'll be doing today, and walk up closer and you'll be able to see some just BB bullets stuck in now, and I see my BB gun's loaded. Put it down, just load it, and if you see, shoot it there, see the gun, just there. So thank you for watching. Shotgun, done it from way back there,